A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. So, a microcontroller includes processor, memory, and input output peripherals on a single chip. In this video, we will see about the MSP430 launchpad. So, microcontroller consists of processor, memory, and input output peripherals on a single chip. Suppose let us consider the microcontroller. So it consists of processor, memory, and I/O interfacing also. So in this lab we are going to use the microcontroller MSP430 G2553 series, where this MSP stands for mixed signal processing or mixed signal processing. Okay, and 430 stands for series. There is a family of MSP430, and G2553 is one of the family of MSP430. So we can MSP430 G2553 is there. The another one which is compatible with that one is MSP430 2452. G is there. Okay, G2452. So this is our launch pad, in which at the middle the microcontroller is there. It is fixed. MSP430, that is the microcontroller, and these are the pins. This is the VCC plus 5 volts. We are going to 3.3 volts will be appear across VCC. So it consists of port 1 and port 2. So port 1 consists of totally 8 pins: P1.0, P1.1, P1.2, P1.3, P1.4, P1.5, P1.6, P1.7. And port 2 consists also 8 pins: P2.0, P2.1, P2.2, P2.3, P2.4, P2.5, P2.6, and P2.7. The test P2.6 and 2.7 are at the top. Okay, that you can see in the next slide. So the P1.0 which is there in the port 1 is connected to the red LED which is in the board itself. So here we are going to connect that USB cable to that one. P1.6 is connected to green LED. That P1.6 connected to green LED. P1.0 is connected to red LED, which are at the bottom. Which are at the bottom. Which are at the bottom. So this is a push button. This is a push button at the bottom, and this is a reset button. This is a reset button. This is the reset button. And this is our microcontroller MSP43O G2553. This port 1 has 8 pins and port 2 has 8 pins, totally 16. And the remaining 4 pins are ground, test, X in and X out. So totally 20 pins. Okay, 16 plus 4, 20. Total 20 pins. So this is VCC, ground, X in, X out, test. So port 1 and port 2 totally 16 pins. If you see clearly, if you count, there are 20 pins are there from VCC to ground. So at the bottom, green and red LEDs are there. So this is the launch pad, which is shown earlier, where we can see at the bottom the green and red LEDs, as well as X, that 2.6 and 2.7 are there. You can easily see here 2.6 and 2.7. So it is a 20 pin dip. Okay. So at the bottom you can observe the push button and reset button. So if you see clearly, there are two programmable push buttons and two LEDs are there. Two LEDs are nothing but one is the green LED and one next one is the red LED. So this is the total pin description of the launch MS430 G2553 launch pad. So P2.6 and P2.7. 18th pin is P2.7 and next to 19th pin is 2.6. So the pin representation is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbering is given. So up to 7th pin we can have the analog inputs also. Okay, both analog and digital inputs. So that only it has represented P1.0, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So it has 16 KB of flash memory and 512 RAM. 512 bytes of RAM. So it is a 16 bit register. So this is the center part of our microcontroller. You can see MSP430 G2553. Okay, MSP430 G2553. MSP430 G2553. The other microcontroller which is compatible with one is this one is 2452 also. So if you count, there are totally 20 pins. So here it is MSP430 G2553. We can make use of 2452 also. 2452. So these are the different types of cables which are used to connect the MSP430 to the desktop or laptop. So these are different types of USBs. One is USB 2.0, and next one we have to see. Next one is a micro USB. Next one is a micro USB only. Next one is a mini USB. Next one is a 8-pin lightning, and last one is a Type C. USB 2.0 is connected to system, whereas mini USB is connected to the launchpad. So this is USB 2.0 and this is a mini USB. So this is the connection where we can easily see the USB 2.0 is connected to the system and mini USB is connected to the launchpad. So it can be connected to CPU whenever you are going to take the desktop in laboratory, especially in laboratory. So we are going to made use of, this is about the hardware interfacing. Next we will see about the Code Composer Studio also. So the first thing is Code Composer Studio is a software. CCS, you are going to call it as CCS. So from in that Code Composer Studio, we are going to write the program which is going to dump into the microcontroller. To make this Code Composer use, what we will do is there will be icon which will be this is the older version. The first one is the older version, and second one is the newer version. So we are going to click on this icon, then the Code Composer Studio is going to get open. The next page will be getting like this. After that, how we enter into the Code Composer Studio step by step, that will be explained in the next coming videos. How you are going to save the file, how you are going to choose the microcontroller, that will be explained in the next video.